Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Jini. Today I wanted to share our new magnetic ink pads with you that come in our 2026-28 in colors. These ink pads are magnetic and will stick together like so. They also allow you to place the lid next to it and it will catch on the sides and stay together. There are no magnets here on the ends, just on the long sides. So I wanted to show you quickly how I labeled my ink pads. I placed my label here that is on the bottom of the ink pad. You get 4 of them. And I placed the first one in English on the bottom, like I would always do with my older ink pads. And then when I opened it, I placed my second English on the inside, outside of the well, above the ink pad. That allows me to know exactly what color this is. And then on the side that has the well in it, I've added a German label. You have French and German labels still on the back. And this allows me to see the color that's going to be in the well. It also allows me to match up my ink pads easily when I get ready to put them away. So there you go, a quick and easy look at my organization for my new magnetic ink pads. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, they'll be available in my online store. And don't forget, you can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.